All right, YouTube. Can't let y'all see where I stay at, but back again with another video. This time it's a different kind of video, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail. We're back working on the car today, and today we got a new mod that we're gonna put on. I just ordered it from, I just ordered from K&NFILTER. You know, they had a discount going on. Actually, they had a promo code, so that's what I use. I should have been changing my engine air filter, and I think the cabin air filter too, because every time I go get an oil change, they be telling me about it. So I kept putting it off because I ain't finna pay y'all to do this. I can do this myself. So I'm gonna show y'all today how to do it. As y'all can see, we got this is the engine air filter right here. K&N, it's reusable too, so washable, you can use it again. Right there's a cabin air filter, and it goes right here. The engine will go right here. Yeah. Take this screw out. This hard to record. Like one hand. I don't want to drop the screw. I might do this video in pieces too, so just bear with me, guys. Matter of fact, okay, I want to show y'all what screws they got. They got this screw, that screw, and back here gonna be some clips. Just pop them out. So I'm gonna cut the video and show y'all. Okay, guys, this is damn near a pain to get out. I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, I got the screws out, but this clip back here is still holding it in. One darn clip. Okay, there we go. All right, we got it up. So I don't think I gotta take it all the way up to get it out. Let's see. And I've never done this before. I'm doing it for the first time right now on YouTube. Uh-oh, what's that? Okay, that's the clips. Okay, I'm gonna switch the camera around. There we go. We got the engine filter out. I don't know if it's dirty or not. I can't. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's dirty. Yep, real dirty. Can't see through it. Now let me show y'all the new one. There goes the new one right here. It comes pre-oiled already, so you don't have to do anything to it. Just put it back there, put it back where it came to the old one from. This is the old one. So there go comparison. You got the old, and you got the new. So yeah, and I already got some oil and stuff to wash it with from my last car. I had the K&N cold air intake on my last car, so we're good to go. So I'm gonna do a cleaning of this like every few thousand miles or so. So just want to show y'all the comparison of the two. Okay, so we got that in now, so we're back. We're good. That's secured, safe. Everything good. Throttle bottle is good and everything. Okay. So good. Now we got a new cabin air filter right here. I just took it out of the box, and now we're gonna change that out. Now, what I remember, I think you pop this off. Okay. Let's sit this right here. And with this now, you gotta. Ooh, how do I do this? Okay. Yeah, I see that. This is a filter right here. Now, what you do is you gotta pull this up and pop the filter out. Okay? So, so like I was saying, you pop it up, pop that part, the little black part I showed y'all. You pop it up, and then this is gonna just pull this right out. See? Pop, pull it out like this. It's filthy. It's hard to do this with one hand. I'm sorry. Okay, real filthy. Now this one, the factory Mopar one goes in a specific way. Now with the K&NFILTER, I think it just, anyway, it can go in there. So I'm gonna put it in there and see. And make sure before you put it in, you clean out all the debris that's in there and make sure everything is clean and good to go. Then just insert it. Okay, I finally figured it out. I don't know if you can see, but I got it in there. See that right there? You got to get it in those grooves. Right there, got to get in those grooves. Well, not groove, but the slots. There's a slot. There's one down here too. You got to get it in those slots. So you got to. What I had to do, I had to push it all the way back. See it? Right there. You got to get it in those, and it will sit, so it won't be wobbling all around. So yeah, and then after that, you just pop it back on. Pop it back on. You're good to go. Then we got this right here. Have to put this back. Oh, is this the right way? Yeah. Pop it in. Okay, I'm sorry. And pop it in. And I think that's it, guys. So, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, sometime coming up, I'm gonna have a lot more car videos coming out, a lot more reviews on the car. I'm gonna do a lot more stuff with the car this year. So I really appreciate y'all for tuning in. Also, this is my, let's see how many, just for the hell of it, while we're here, let's see how much oil we got up in here. This is my oil catch can, guys. If you got a Mopar, I really highly suggest you get this. Yeah, okay, not that bad. Yeah, so catches over the, you know, leftover oils or whatever, residue oil. And the engine bay is dirty. I shouldn't be showing y'all. It's dirty, it's filthy. I need to clean it out one day. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all so much.